know we've been working on our writing unit, and today we're going to be focusing on one specific element of the introduction. So can anyone tell me what the first sentence or piece of an introduction that you read is? The very first thing that you encounter on a page. Anyone have an idea? Yes, you got it, a hook. And does anyone have an idea what a hook is? Could you tell me a little more, Meredith?
Something that gets you're interested in whatever you're going to say.
Yeah, I like where you're going with that, definitely. So I'm going to focus your eyes on the board right here where we have our objective, which says to master good hooks with 3 different types. So you might not know exactly what that means now, but what I want you to do is turn to the person next to you. So we have an odd number today, so maybe you form a little group of 3 and talk for just 1 minute about what you think a hook might do. So Meredith, if you know a little bit, maybe share with your 2 partners about hooks and what you know so far from maybe last writing class or something like that. Okay? So just take 1 minute.
It seems like at the beginning of an essay, the reader has to have a reason to keep reading. And you want to give them that reason really quickly so that they are interested.
Okay, I'm going to have you wrap up in about 5 seconds. Okay, coming back. So Leah, can you share with me what Meredith and you and Josh talked a little bit about?
We talked about a way to get the reader interested in what we're about to talk about, and then also kind of explaining it a little bit broader.
Definitely. Those are all really great things. So you want to get your reader's attention and then lead them into what you're going to be talking about next in the introduction and then eventually the rest of the essay or paper. So today, like I said, we're going to focus on 3 different types of hooks. So Josh, could you read the first one to me, please? Over here.
First type of hook is a surprise. Explains a shocking situation or statistic to the reader, such as over 59% of schools require uniforms.
Awesome. So as you can see, all of these are going to be in the theme of an essay that might be about school uniforms. And the surprise is something you might read in a newspaper article or even a magazine headline. It's something that shocks your reader and gets them to read more. Meredith, could you read the anecdote to me?
A short story relevant to the topic, like when I was in middle school.
Yes, so that's an anecdote, and it's just a fancy word for a short story. So if you remember last week, we talked a little bit about rhetorical modes. An anecdote is using pathos, so it's helping the reader feel something and identify with you personally, and maybe they've experienced something like the story that you talk about, and it makes them want to read more. And then finally, Leah, could you read the question to us?
Poses a question to the reader to pick their interest.
Yeah, and that word that starts with a P just means to gain or gather their attention. Great, so now what I'm going to do is give you a handout, and on that handout you'll see 3 more examples of different types of hooks. So what I want you to do is, once you get the paper, just read it over silently, and then flip it over. On the back, you're going to see a space where you can write 3 different hooks. So your hooks are going to be based on the essay topic that you chose yesterday in class. So once again, once you get the paper, and here you can take one here, Leah, and pass it down. Then just read over the examples, and then turn over and write 3 of your examples. Anyone have any questions? Okay, great. So this chair is going to help you remember more what we talked about hooks today. And if you know any school chants, it's going to be set to the same beat. So what I want you to do is stand up really quickly so we can get a little more engaged. And then we are going to repeat after me, okay? So the motion is like this. Step, clap, step, clap, okay? So start off strong.
Start off strong.
With a hug.
With a hug.
Pretty soon.
Pretty
We could write a book.
Write a book.
Question, story, or a fact.
Question, story, or a fact.
Let your words make an impact.
Let your words make an impact.
Great job. Okay, let's do it one more time. And this time you can go along with me, alright? Start off strong.
Start off strong.
With a hug.
With a hug.
Pretty soon.
Pretty soon.
You could write a book.
Write a book.
Question, story, or a fact.
Question, story, or a fact.
Let your words make an impact.
Let your words make an impact.
Great, thank you.
Woo!
Okay. Ooh.
Go Cougs!